Hello, today everyone. Welcome back to the Talk Show. And this is our episode 2. And today Talk Show is where we chit chat about and with people who inspire, challenge norms, and of course spark conversation that matter. And I'm Suvate, your host. And today we have a very special guest who is a beauty queen who is so beautiful and confident. And she is someone who's making history actually. And she also breaking the barriers and of course walking into universe with unmatched glam and grace. So I also want to tell you a little bit more before you meet her. She's somebody who's not just a beauty queen. She's also a big inspiration for the LGBTQ plus community in Cambodia as well. So without further ado, welcome Miss Davina. Hello. So สบาย Hi, Quinn.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Oh my God, you look absolutely stunning.
And you too.
Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so happy to see you today. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to jump to the first question for you. So, who is Davina really behind the stage, glam, and such? And what is your journey? Tell us to our audience who's new to Davina.
Actually, I'm a student at the university now. I'm studying business administration. Also, I'm a fashion model. Yeah,
Wow, of course, of course. You're such a stylish queen.
thank
Okay,
you.
so another question. So, how long have you become the transgender woman?
Saying I dress up as a woman, like maybe 2019.
2019. Wow. So, what was the first reaction that you come out to your family and to basically the entire world as a transgender?
Like, uh, សម្រាប់ខ្ញុំ this is my mindset. I think I'm a woman, so it's not mirror like my family accept me or not, but my mindset telling me I'm a woman, so I have to fight with that and just be the good person, and your family gonna be accept you, and then just set your goal. What do you want? It's not about another. Yep.
Okay, wow. So your family just accept you immediately when they know that you want to be a woman and you are a woman inside that you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. What about those who are not your family, like let's say your friends or just stranger, other people who may know you, but then they were like, oh, this is the new person as a transgender, as Davina, she's coming out as someone else who identify as transgender. So what are the reaction? Are they only positive or negative or like what else?
Of course, we have some positive and negative, and also like just ignore. Just know what you want. That's it. Just follow yourself and ask yourself what do you want and what make you happy. It's not about another, but when you want to be ពេលយើងចង់បានខ្ញុំសុំនិយាយខ្មែរពេលយើងចង់បានឲ្យគេ accept យើងណា
ចា
be the good person and also like និយាយទៅសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំហ្មងគឺខ្ញុំអត់សូវបានការ ignore ឬមួយក៏អត់ចូលចិត្ត negative ពីអ្នកដទៃម៉ានទេវាតែងតែមានតិចតួចប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែលយើងជាមនុស្សល្អហើយយើង good person ណា it's no matter what about your gender it's about who you are.
I agree. That's a
Yeah.
good point, actually. Being good person, no matter what your gender
Yeah.
is, like you said, is what make people drawn to you, attract people to you, and I agree with that. Good job. But you said, okay, as long as you know who you are. So tell us more, like what kind of a person you think you are, and you know you are within you that people may not know, but who are you that you think you are within you? What kind of person you are?
Kind my actually my personality is really have to people around me and everyone, and I like to talking about the truth and about I always talking about like to inspire people ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអ្នកជុំវិញខ្លួនខ្ញុំឬមួយអ្នកដទៃក៏ដោយគឺខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យពួកគាត់ better and better like never jealousy like ចង់ឲ្យពួកគាត់លក្ខណៈមើលទៅដូចខ្ញុំណាតែស្អាតតែខ្ញុំអត់ចេះ jealous ណាគេឃើញខ្ញុំស្អាតអត់ទាំងអស់គ្នា
Bách ban អត់ jealous អត់ដែលចេះចំណែនគេឲ្យធ្វើយើងស្អាតចឹង
អូខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំកើតមកខួរក្បាលខ្ញុំចឹងហ្មង mindset ខ្ញុំគិតថាអឺអត់ដែលចំណែនគេហើយខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអ្នកស្អាត
ជួយចំណាក់ស្អាត
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអ្នកស្អាតហ្មងអញ្ចឹងទៅពេលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអ្នកគេពេលខ្ញុំឃើញគេស្អាតខ្ញុំចង់ស្អាតដូចគេហើយដល់ពេលដែលខ្ញុំបានស្អាតលើហ្នឹងខ្ញុំឃើញអ្នកដែលគេរៀងធ្វើ coaster no it's not mean like ខ្ញុំចាក់គេ or anything ដោយសារខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យពួកគាត់ look better ដែរដូចមិត្តភក្តិខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នកគេដើរលេងមួយខ្ញុំគឺស្អាតទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយខ្ញុំអត់ដែលមានអារម្មណ៍ថាអូពាក់អញ្ចេះហើយកុំឲ្យឈ្នះខ្ញុំ no ខ្ញុំអត់ដើរមួយអ្នកអត់ស្អាតទេ it's not mean like ខ្ញុំហើអាវមែនទេខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យពួកគាត់ស្អាតចាតែប៉ុណ្្នឹង
So what you're saying is to you, you're somebody who know your own standard and you love being beautiful and you kind of like never get jealous, get inspired by people who's beautiful and make yourself more beautiful. And what is within your circle, your group of friends, you also want them to be beautiful. So you have this standard
Yeah.
that you want people to know and you want to teach them and bring them to that standard, to that level.
Yeah.
Very beautiful, Queen.
Thank you.
All right, so next question is I think we all know that you are the first runner up of Miss Queen Cambodia 2023.
Dạ bông.
Such an achievement. But right now you're on the path to compete for the crown for Miss Universe Cambodia 2025, right?
Yeah.
So we want to know what inspired you to compete again.
First of all, I want to challenge myself. And I want to have a new experience. And as you know, in Miss Universe, you can see a lot of your idol, like so many idol. They all have a talent and very creative. So ពេលខ្ញុំចូលប្រឡងមួយពួកគាត់ខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំបាន experience ពីពួកគាត់ហើយយកងាយណាស់បានប្រឡងមួយអ្នកខ្លាំង you know ពេលយើងប្រឡងមួយអ្នកខ្លាំងយើងកាន់តែខំប្រឹងខ្លួនឯង so it's give you energy and more confidence.
Wow. Wow, that's actually a very good point because you
Yeah.
want to challenge yourself, make yourself better every day.
First myself and after with all the queen. Like I told you, I want to try a new thing. I never compete with all the women. So this is my time to prove. And also like ជាឱកាសសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំហ្មងដែលខ្ញុំត្រូវតែបង្ហាញខ្លួនឯងទីមួយគឺខ្ញុំចង់លុបបំបាត់ស្ត្រីការរើសអើងស្ត្រីកែភេទហើយពេលដែលខ្ញុំចូលប្រឡង Miss Universe នេះទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវដឹងថាខ្ញុំគិតថាអាហ្នឹងដើម្បីខ្លួនឯងផងក៏ដើម្បីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាផងដើម្បីជាពិសេសនោះគឺ LGBTQ+ និង transgender especially transgender ដោយសារអីខ្ញុំទៅប្រឡង Miss Universe នេះគេបើកឱកាសឲ្យយើងទៅប្រឡងគឺគេក៏ចង់លុបបំបាត់ការរើសអើងដែរហើយអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំចូលហ្នឹងគឺទីមួយហ្នឹងគឺស្ត្រីកែភេទក៏អាច it's mean like trans woman is a woman that's what I want to try and we'll see together.
Okay, so what's new about you is you come up with this advocacy, very strong advocacy, that you want to raise awareness and fight for the transgender women to be accepted in any groups
Yeah,
as a
like-
real woman.
Especially it's like working place.
Working place, okay.
Yeah, and in society, it's more important in working place. Like, it's not mean like you accept like they are just trend and whatever. No, you have to give them a change, like working place. Like they can have a job, they can be a teacher, they can flight attendant, whatever they want. So I want them to accept as a woman. It's mean like transgender is a woman. So. Yeah, that's what I want. So it's hard for them for now because they cannot find a job because like they still like នៅមានការរើសអើង so ពួកគាត់នៅតែពិបាកធ្វើការពេលខ្លះយើងអាចចាញ់ពួកគាត់ធ្វើការនេះធ្វើការនោះបានដោយសារអីក៏ពួកគាត់អត់ស្មានឱកាសដូចយើងទេ That's why I'm fighting for.
Okay, that's very beautiful. So again, your advocacy is to fight for transgender women in the workplace to get
Yeah.
the right for them to, have the chance to work in any type of work.
Yeah, and also like you like protect trans kids, like give them more education, and also like ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យនៅសាលាពេលដែលមានបងប្អូនប្រតិបត្តិ or whatever អត់ចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា judge ចឹងហើយខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យ like education ហ្នឹងក៏រៀនឲ្យយល់ដឹងពីពួកគាត់ដែរដោយសារអីពួកយើងគ្រាន់តែរៀនធម្មតាតែយើងអត់ដឹងថាprotect អ្នកដែលភេទទី3មិនចេះយើងអត់ដឹងថាឲ្យតម្លៃពួកគាត់មិនចេះចឹងហើយខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហ្នឹងត្រូវគិតថាពួកគាត់ជាមនុស្សធម្មតាដូចយើងចឹងកុំឃើញគាត់ចឹងចាត់គាត់ជេរស្ដីគាត់ចឹងគាត់មករៀនគាត់មានសម្ពាធផងធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ពេលថាគាត់ធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ឈប់រៀនចឹងគាត់បាន educate ល្អដូចពួកយើងឯង
Very good point. Very good point, right? Because there's a lot of people who actually are transgender and they're still young and they're at school and then not a lot of people know how to interact with them. Maybe they come off as bully
Yeah.
and then they get discouraged like you said and then they drop out and we just lose more and more human resource.
Yeah. It's about how educate them like ត្រូវគិតពីចំណេះដឹងពួកគាត់មិនគិតពីលើភេទទេអ្នកនរគ្នាពេលខ្លះគ្រាន់តែភេទមួយហ្នឹងធ្វើឲ្យគាត់បាត់បង់ឱកាសការងារចាអញ្ចឹង it's not fair it's not fair
Okay, Davina, next I want to know so you are a very big role model and representative of LGBTQ plus community. So I want to know, like, do you feel like you're carrying the hope of other people? Is it like a type of pressure that you think you have to balance yourself as a role model and being your authentic self?
to be honest it's not pressure me anymore because like I always learn and accept especially accept and ខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែអត់មានសម្ពាធអីសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំទេគ្រាន់តែខ្ញុំធ្វើជាខ្លួនឯង be myself and I don't care I only accept what like positive thing that's it ហើយខ្ញុំអត់តែខ្វល់ពីការគិតរបស់អ្នកដទៃធ្វើជាខ្លួនឯងហើយក៏ខ្ញុំចង់ប្រាប់អ្នកនរគ្នា like trans woman ដូចខ្ញុំ as I am your role model I want you to listen like អ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវ keep education and អ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវ smile and then ask yourself you are a princess and what make you happy today and also be kind to everyone that's what I ask myself when I wake up first thing I always say what can I make you happy princess and then
In the mirror?
I answer myself like what can make me happy go to shopping get my nails done yeah like when you obsess with yourself and you love yourself more you don't have time to jealous about another because you only focus on yourself and what make you feel better what make you better and អ្នកនរគ្នាគាត់តែគិតថាធ្វើឲ្យខ្លួនឯងសប្បាយចិត្តទៅហើយអ្នកនរគ្នានឹងអារម្មណ៍ល្អហើយនឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាឃើញមនុស្សជុំវិញខ្លួនអ្នកនរគ្នានឹងគឺ positive ពេលដែលយើងមាន positive mindset អ្វីៗក៏នឹងល្អសម្រាប់ជីវិតយើងដែរហើយយើងអត់មានអារម្មណ៍ថា stress ទេអ្នកណាក៏ចេះ stress ដែរតែយើងលុបវាចោល like មិនលុបវាចោលហ្មងហ៊ាន forget វា like unforgive and set yourself free that's what I learned
Wow, that's very deep.
yeah
Wow. So there's no pressure, of course, because you're being like that already. And thank you for the tip, actually. Smile
ទាំងអស់គ្នា
more.
ខ្ញុំនៅក្រៅមិនខ្ញុំនៅក្នុងអញ្ចឹងតិចថាអូ Davina នៅរៀបចរិតឯង I'm the same
That's very good. I like that. I know. That's true. That's
I'm
true.
the same តិចថាចូល Miss Universe ត្រូវតែធ្វើចរិត Queen I'm the Queen because like អ្នកនរគ្នា Queen ណាអ្នកនរគ្នាមិនចាំដូរចរិតខ្លួនឯងទេ that's how អានេះមកគេហៅថា Queen like អ្នកនរគ្នា real Queen is real it's not me like អ្នកនរគ្នានៅក្នុងផ្សេងក្រៅផ្សេង so it's me like fake Queen okay
That's important. That's so
ដូចបងឯងអ
important.
ញ្ចឹងណា it's the same right
Yes, of
we are
course.
slay we don't care like នៅក្រៅមិន
slay
នៅក្នុងអញ្ចឹង
ចា
just only ចូលស្ដឹងតាមបទ like depend on environment មិនអ្នកឯងនៅជាមួយអ្នកធំឬមួយអ្នកមុខអ្នកមាត់អ្នកឯងធ្វើចរិតអាឡែក no like ធ្វើជាខ្លួនឯងប៉ុន្តែ different thing like គេហៅថាម៉េចបងធ្វើគេហៅចូលស្ដឹងតាមបទនឹងឯង
ចូលស្ដឹងតាមបទ
ថាយើងនៅមួយអ្នកនេះផ្សេងអ្នកនេះផ្សេងមិនមានន័យថាយើង fake ទេមានន័យថាយើង respect okay but still being yourself
Yeah. That's really important. ធ្វើជាខ្លួនឯង be yourself, but then act according to the environment where you at. Okay, so we have more question for you, Davina. So you are, I know that you are in the public eyes, and there must be a lot of young people especially in LGBTQ plus community who look at you like, wow, she's amazing. Wow, she's doing this and that. I think I can do that too if she can do it. So you're a big inspiration for them. So what are the other advices? I know you gave a lot of advice earlier already, but is there anything else you wanna tell them more?
for me it's only ខ្ញុំអត់មានអារម្មណ៍ថាអានឹងខ្ញុំនិយាយទៅត្រូវឬខុសទេតែអានឹង that's what I think and that is my mindset value yourself and know your worth ដោយសារអីពេលយើងឲ្យតម្លៃខ្លួនឯងពេលយើងដឹងពីតម្លៃខ្លួនឯងមានន័យថាយើងនឹងស្គាល់ពីខ្លួនឯងច្រើនហើយយើងចង់ដឹងថាអ្វីដែលយើងចង់បាននៅថ្ងៃមុខអញ្ចឹងហើយ if I am a trans woman and I want to inspire my trend kids especially, and also young trend, like to believe in yourself, and also like respect ខ្លួនឯង it's not mean like you are think you are a woman, it's not think you are a woman ចឹងពេលដែលយើងគិតថាយើងជាមនុស្សស្រីគឺយើងចេះយើងចរិតស្រីពីធម្មជាតិមានថាការគិតរបស់យើងគឺថាតែស្រីដែរយល់ទេអ្នកនរគ្នាដោយសារពេលដែលយើងការគិតដែលយើងជាមនុស្សស្រី like your mindset you are a woman, so you have to trust yourself you are a woman ពេលអញ្ចឹងយើងអត់ overreact want to be a woman when you say you want to be a woman it's mean like you're not a woman sometimes អ្នកនរគ្នាគ្រាន់តែ dress up like a man ទេប៉ុន្តែអ្នកនរគ្នាអត់ទៅជា transgender តែអ្នកនរគ្នាមានគូក្បាលមួយថាអ្នកនរគ្នាជាមនុស្សស្រីអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺជាស្រីហើយគាត់អ្នកនរគ្នាអត់ចាប់ឱកាសដល់កន្លែងដែលអ្នកឯងចង់អ្នកនរគ្នាចង់ទៅអញ្ចឹងហើយមានន័យថាក្នុងគូក្បាលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឈាម hormone you are a woman គាត់ថាយើងធម្មតាយើងកាត់មកយើងខុសរូបរាងត្រូវអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា I know it's hard but គាត់តែយើងគិតថាយើងជាមនុស្សស្រីហើយយើងកុំចំណែនមនុស្សស្រីតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងហើយយើងពេលយើងត្រូវចូលចិត្តមនុស្សស្រីយើងត្រូវស្លាញ់មនុស្សស្រីយើងត្រូវចង់ស្អាតដូចគេយើងមិនចំណែនគេទៅប្រអាប់គេដើម្បីតម្លាក់គេលើកខ្លួនឯង no that's not a woman mindset. Go ahead.
Yeah, I agree with that actually, because I think I can feel there's a gap between the friendship between like transgender women and women. Like I feel like like there maybe something's going on, but like you said, like just to be, if you want to be real women, act as real women, and then just accept each other and love each other. Friendship is important.
ចាអញ្ចឹងអ្នកគ្នាដូចខ្ញុំនិយាយអញ្ចឹងភេទគឺអត់សំខាន់ទេសំខាន់គឺលើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាទាំងអស់ you want like people to respect you but you have to respect yourself like អ្នកនរគ្នាបើសិនជាអ្នកនរគ្នាខ្ញុំចង់និយាយមួយបើអ្នកនរគ្នាធ្វើចរិតឲ្យល្អធ្វើឲ្យគេគោរពអ្នកនរគ្នានឹងចេះគោរពអត់មានអ្នកគេមក respect អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅពេលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអង្គុយស្ងៀមផឹកកាហ្វេ smile and looking very no ធ្វើអត់យ៉ាងច្រើនបើគេអត់ respect យើង that's not our problem so កុំគិតពីវាកុំ stress ពីវា just keep fighting and be the good person and be the best version of yourself
I
like
agree.
me
Yes, slay.
yeah, I don't care
Okay, so one more question, actually two or
always
three
one more
one more. We cannot get enough of you. That's why we need more from
I
you.
appreciate that
Of course. Okay, so I want to know about your future goal. What do you want be or do in your future?
for my future I don't think that I have big goal ខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែចង់ I want to traveling around the world that's my goal
That's big, girl.
oh okay
That's so small.
and I don't want to be too rich just have enough money to shopping
Like not too rich, but like what are we talking? Like
yeah but I can-
millionaires?
yeah
Okay, that's rich. That's a lot.
yeah
That's
it just go right it just go and have my own business and my specially goal always very yeah
Okay, so that's actually girl. That's big goal, and it's okay to have big goals, right? I know,
Yeah.
I know. You know.
you have to think big
Yeah, we
Even you-
think big.
បើសិនជាយើងអត់តន់ទៅដល់អា big ហ្នឹងគឺយើងអាចចិត្តដល់អា big ហ្នឹងដែរទាំងអស់គ្នា
But like I know you were like being like humble, right? You say, oh, I don't
មនុស្សយើង
want.
ជួយក្តីសម័យណាអូក្តីសម័យពេក so what គាត់ដល់សម័យតា
Yeah, so my like normally, you know, dreams always mostly come true. Like it start with dreams.
we don't know
Yeah,
We
you
don't know.
aim
No
for
one
the
know.
moon, or you know, at least you can land a star. Good. So being a businesswoman traveling the world, have a lot of money, and be always pretty. I think that's basically everyone else's dream as well. I want that too,
Yeah.
and go.
everyone want that
Yeah.
so it's mean like no more dream yeah
It's a dream. It's a
Yeah.
dream, but it's a realistic dream, so it's achievable. I know you can do it, of course.
I wish
You will. Oh, talking about wish. So, what is one biggest wish you have for maybe not just yourself, but for people around you, for the world?
that's what I wish I wish សម្រាប់ខ្ញុំនិយាយខ្មែរហ្មងខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យស្រុកខ្មែរយើងឬមួយក៏ប្រទេសផ្សេងៗក៏ដោយខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យគាត់ accept and protect trans women and LGBTQ+ ដោយសារខ្ញុំជាភាសានោះឥឡូវខ្ញុំចង់ focus លើស្រុកខ្មែរហ្មងដោយសារនាងខ្ញុំជាជនជាតិខ្មែរ so ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យខ្មែរយើងមានច្បាប់ព្រះរដ្ឋាភិបាលយើងបញ្ចេញច្បាប់ដែលទទួលស្គាល់បងប្អូនភេទទី3និង LGBTQ+ ទាំងអស់ឲ្យគាត់ជាពិសេសនោះ especially for the trans women like ពួកគាត់អាចធ្វើតញ្ញាប័ណ្ណស្រីបាន and រៀបការបានដូចជាមនុស្សស្រីអាហ្នឹងគ្រាន់តែខ្ញុំ wish and I will keep going with that yeah
Okay, that's your wish. That's beautiful.
so យើងអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវដឹងណា everything I do is just only for the trans woman please respect yourself អ្នកនរគ្នាលឺហ៎កុំធ្វើនាងខ្ញុំបាក់មុខណាត្រូវស្លាញ់ខ្លួនឯងអូខេស្លាញ់ខ្លួនឯង respect and មិន respect ខ្លួនឯងម្នាក់ឯណា respect អ្នកជុំវិញខ្លួនផងស្លាញ់ខ្លួនស្លាញ់អ្នកជុំវិញខ្លួនហើយឲ្យតម្លៃអ្នកជុំវិញខ្លួន and always គិតពី positive បានហើយគិតតែពីវិជ្ជមានបានហើយកុំអវិជ្ជមានខ្ញុំដឹងថាគេគិតអវិជ្ជមានលើអ្នកនរគ្នាខ្ញុំដឹងដោយសារតែយើងនៅមាន small mindset នៅឡើយតែនៅតិចទេអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវ keep fighting be a good person still ដោយសារអីពេលដែលយើង still good person អាហ្នឹងយើង fighting ឲ្យគេ respect យើងចឹងតែបើយើងគ្រាន់តែគេ react អីតិចតួចយើងធ្វើលេឡាឬមកក៏អីចឹងទៅអាហ្នឹងគេកាន់តែស្អប់ទៅអញ្ចឹងបើយើងចង់ fight គេមិនមែនយើងតែលេឡាគឺយើងនៅតែ smile and វិជ្ជមាន positive ឆៅឯបង
Yeah, I agree.
អាហ្នឹង that's what I think like ពេលគេចាអីចឹង bully ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវ keep positive ពេលអ្នកនរគ្នា positive it's mean like you are a good person and you fighting with that and you win
Yeah.
yeah បើអ្នកនរគ្នា overreact yeah because ដូចខ្ញុំនិយាយចឹងភេទទី3យើងខុសភេទផ្សេងគេខុសគិតថាខុសធម្មតាគេថាខុសគឺខុសហើយប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងតែបើយើងភេទទី3យើងខុសគុណគឺគុណអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវគេថាអាហ្នឹងយើងពួកគាត់មាន mindset ចឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវ fighting មួយអាហ្នឹងកុំឲ្យខុសអូខេ
Okay, Queen. So,
princess
okay, another question for you related to Miss Universe Cambodia 2025.
I'm a candidate
I know related to the competition.
Okay.
ឥឡូវសួរខ្មែរហ្មងឲ្យស្រួល
ចា៎
ចង់ដឹងថាទៅក្នុងការប្រកួតហ្នឹងអូនឯងមានសង្ឃឹមថានឹងយកឈ្នះការប្រកួតនឹងប្រមាណភាគរយហើយមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាដែរមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាដែរនៅពេលដែលប្រកួតជាមួយនឹងសុទ្ធតែស្រីស្អាតហើយអ្នកប្រកែដូចអូនឯងដែរតែមានអ្នកផ្សេងដែលគាត់ជាបេក្ខភាពខ្លាំងៗនៅក្នុងការប្រកួតក្នុងឆ្នាំហ្នឹង
ចាសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំហ្មងគឺខ្ញុំបានឈ្នះខ្លួនឯងរួចទេហើយក៏ខ្ញុំនៅតែឈ្នះហ្នឹងមិនមែនឈ្នះថាខ្ញុំឯគេ success ហើយ succeed ហើយទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំនៅតែ learn នៅតែពេលដែលខ្ញុំទៅកម្មវិធីប្រកួតហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំបានការរៀនពីវាខ្ញុំបាន experience ហើយខ្ញុំបាន good friend អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំគិតថាបេក្ខភាពផ្សេងៗពួកគាត់សុទ្ធតែមានសុខភាពទាំងអស់ even អ្នកខ្លះអត់តមានបទពិសោធន៍ទេតែក៏យើងពេលខ្លះគេហៅថាខ្លាចលក្ខចរអ្នកនរគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងកុំអាងយើងបកកែឬមកក៏យើងមានសុខភាពរួចហើយយើងភ្លេចខ្លួនអញ្ចឹងហើយអាហ្នឹងក៏ជាបទពិសោធន៍ធ្វើឲ្យនាងខ្ញុំហ្នឹងមានការគិតគ្រប់ជ្រុងគ្រប់ច្រយដែរចាអញ្ចឹងពេលដែលខ្ញុំបានប្រឡងមួយអ្នកដែលបកកែហ្នឹងក៏ធ្វើឲ្យនាងខ្ញុំហ្នឹងមានការខំប្រឹងអញ្ចឹងអាហ្នឹងដូចវា push យើងអញ្ចឹងណាអ្នកនរគ្នានៅពេលដែលយើងប្រឡងអ្នកអត់សូវបកកែហ្មងមិនថាយើងមើលងាយពួកគាត់ទេមានអារម្មណ៍ថាយើងរៀងហីប្រឡែងណាតែបើយើងមានតែអញ្ចឹងគេធ្វើឲ្យយើងហ្នឹង keep focus មិនដែរអាហ្នឹងបើយើងគិត positive មកវិញណាធ្វើឲ្យយើង focus and then កុំបោះបង់ខ្លួនឯងកុំបោះបង់ការគិតលក្ខណៈកុំបោះបង់អារឿងតិចតួចណាយើងត្រូវគិតឲ្យ clear គ្រប់ចុងជ្រោយចា
ចុះមិនដែរ percentage ភាគរយដែលនឹងគិតថាខ្លួនឯងនឹងឈ្នះក្នុងការប្រកួត
បើយើងមកប្រឡងបើយើងអត់សង្ឃឹមគឺអត់កើតចាអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់នាងខ្ញុំគឺខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹម 90% 10% ទៀតទៅឲ្យគណៈកម្មការ ចាជាអ្នកសម្រាប់
Okay, very good. I actually, I think, and people who are watching this episode right now, wishing you the best, and we know you can do it.
I know
Very confident. Talking about confidence, what is your tip in being very confident like this?
be happy be happy
How to be happy?
no one can make you happy it's only yourself ដូចខ្ញុំនិយាយចឹង what kind of make me happy today I always ask myself every day so I know what made me happy អញ្ចឹងwhat made me happy like ខ្ញុំថ្ងៃហ្នឹងតែបងស្រីឲ្យខ្ញុំមក interview that's what make me happy អញ្ចឹង that's why ខ្ញុំអង្គុយសោចអង្គុយញញឹមហើយខ្ញុំអង្គុយផាត់មុខ so no
I'm happy
stress
too.
yeah no stress ដោយសារខ្ញុំដឹងថាខ្ញុំថ្ងៃហ្នឹងខ្ញុំត្រូវធ្វើអីហើយអញ្ចឹងពេលអ្នកនរគ្នាគ្រាន់តែដឹងថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាធ្វើអីគឺអ្នកនរគ្នាមានពេល stress ហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវទៅរកអីធ្វើឧទាហរណ៍បើយើងតែយើងមិនអីធ្វើទេទៅហាងកាហ្វេ and then you ពេលអង្គុយ make up អង្គុយអីហ្នឹងក៏អ្នកនរគ្នាលេង stress បាត់ stress ទៅអង្គុយផឹកកាហ្វេទៅមើលគេមើលអញភ្លេច okay that's what I learned
Okay, so being happy is what make you confident.
yeah being happy and trust yourself and especially don't listen to another
So who you should listen to, yourself only, or who
I
else?
listen to everyone
Everyone?
but especially
Trust yourself.
trust myself and how they make me feel
Okay.
that's it
Okay, good. Thank you for the answer.
you're welcome
Oh, and also when you say you're happy to be here, I am more happy. I'm so happy to have her today.
really
Really? Okay, so let's continue with our mini games. So I'm gonna read out a situation or two situation for you, and then you have to tell me whether it's a crown or clown moment.
okay
Are you ready?
yeah
Okay, so one, there's a hate comment in your post, but then you just gonna slay in your next post. What is that?
crown baby
Of course, crown. Yeah, of course, because you don't give your energy or you don't really care too much about what other people say,
why
right?
should I
Yeah, of course. Okay, next. There's a pageant contestant who tried to shade you on stage. What is that?
clown we don't hate I am love
Yes, of course. Of course, clown. Always. All right. Thank you so much, Davina, for your
Thank you,
time today.
Bong, for having me
Oh no, thank you for being here. Your beauty, your confidence, your insight, which are very helpful, not just to me but to our audience as well. And we wish you the best on your upcoming competition.
Thank you, Bong.
Any one final word for our audience?
Thank you so much for watching us. And I want to say to my LGBTQ plus, especially and other people, keep going and never give up. Love you.
So.